Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use VLOOKUP between two sheets in Google Sheets. So right now I have two sheets here, sheet number 1 and sheet number 2. I have product names, quantity and IDs of the products. So I want to get this information right on the first sheet by using the ID, and for that we're gonna use VLOOKUP. So how to do that? So I wanna add product names here by using ID. So I'll just select this cell right here, add equal to sign. Now here we need to type VLOOKUP, then add bracket, and we want to give them a search key. So we want to get the product name of this ID, so we're gonna select this one, add comma. Now we need to give them the range, and the range is on the second sheet. So this is the range which I wanna give them. You can give whole range just like me. Then again we need to add comma here. Now it's time for us to give them index, and since we want to get the product name is on the second column, like right here. So that's why we're gonna type 2. Again we need to add comma, and now here we need to type false, bracket complete, and just hit enter. And yeah, there you go, we got the product name by using ID. So you can just make it for all IDs. Now we want to get the quantities too. So for that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the shortcut. So we're gonna firstly select this cell. This is the formula which we have used before, so we're gonna copy this. Okay, now go back to sheet number 2, and as we know, we need to give them index, and in this case we're gonna give them number 3 because quantity column is on number 3. So that's why we're gonna type number 3 there. But where we're gonna type that, let me show you. First of all, we need to double click on this cell right here, hit Ctrl+V. So quantities is on the third column, so we're gonna type 3 and just hit enter. And yeah, there you go, we got the quantity of apple. So similarly we're gonna just stretch it all the way to here, and yep, that's it. This is how you can use VLOOKUP between two sheets in Google Sheets. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.